Huawei Pura X is a new take on foldable smartphones. The company has already given us book-style and clamshell foldable, and last year it launched the world's first trifold. Now, Huawei is back with yet another unique form factor, the Pura X, the industry's first wide foldable smartphone. At first glance, the Pura X might seem a little unconventional, but it actually makes a lot of sense. Think of it as a clamshell foldable, but wider. Instead of the narrow flip-style foldable we're used to, the Pura X gives you extra screen real estate in a horizontal format, something that could change how we use foldable phones. The Pura X comes with a unique 6.3-inch foldable OLED display featuring a 16:10 aspect ratio. It feels noticeably taller and more spacious than most flip phones we've handled. The outer screen measures 3.5 inches with a square 1:1 aspect ratio, great for quick notifications and mirror selfies. Both displays support an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz and 440 Hz PWM dimming, making scrolling and animations appear smooth and easy on the eyes. Huawei has paid special attention to design and durability. The phone uses a composite super tough laminated structure, a titanium alloy support layer, and a basalt water drop hinge. It feels sturdy yet elegant in hand, and the IPX8 water resistance rating is reassuring for daily use. On the camera front, the Pura X packs serious hardware. There's a 50-megapixel main sensor with an f1.6 aperture, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8-megapixel 3.5 telephoto lens. Huawei also added a 1.5-megapixel multispectral red maple primary color camera. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Kirin 920 chip, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The 4720 mAh silicon carbon battery supports 66 watts wired and 40 watts wireless charging, which should keep it running easily through the day. The Pura X ships with Harmony OS 5, with Huawei promising smoother performance and enhanced privacy features. The Pura X is also IPX8 rated for water resistance and comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, satellite communication, and has USB 3.1 Type-C port. The device is available in Moonshadow Gray, Zero White, and Magic Night Black, with stylish red and green leather-backed collector's editions. Pricing starts at $1,034 in China. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.